going to explain that the 8th class exercise 1.3 8th problem. Okay, what is that? See, find the area of rectangular part which is the 18 3 by 5 meter long and 8 2 by 3 meter broad. So we have to find the area of the rectangular field. So here what are the given terms? Length of the rectangular part is given how much? So 18 3 by 5 meter. 18 3 by 5 meter means we have to convert this into the improper fraction that can be written as, so 18 5 is 90 plus 3, 93 by 5 meter. This is the length of the given rectangular field. And the breadth of the rectangular part is what? 82 by 3 meters, that is 3 8 is 24 plus 2, 26 by 3 meter. This is the breadth of the rectangular part. Now what we have to find? Area of the rectangular part. So therefore, so area of rectangular part, area of, so rectangular part, so that is equals to what? What is the formula for area? So A is equals to area of the rectangular field is equals to what? Length into breadth. So length into breadth. So what is the length according to the given measurements? What is the length? So this is 93 by 5 meter. So length 93 by 5 into breadth 26 by 3 meters. So this is a meter square we have to write. Area we can represent in the square meters, right? So 93 into 26, denominators 5 into 3. We have to multiply, then we can get the answer. So what is that? Okay, so 93 into 26, if we can multiply, then what we will get? 2418 and 5 is 15. So by simplifying or by cancelling these, we will get the mixed fraction 161 1 by 5 meter square. 161 1 by 5 meter square. This is what? The area of the rectangular part. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let us see that the 9th problem of exercise 1.3 of 8th class. So what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? Okay, see that what number should be means let that number be x. Suppose for example, let the required number is equals to, let the required number is equals to x. So according to the given problem, what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? Means that is according to problem, what we can write? We can write it as what? Minus 33 by 16 divided by with what number? Means x. To get what we have to get? Minus 11 by 4. So this equation we can write according to the given problem. What number means x number is divided by. So minus 33 by 16 is divided by x is equal to get minus 11 by 4. This means what? So now we have to find that our required x value. So minus 33 by 16. So divided by x can be written as here. So by x is equals to minus 11 by 4. Okay. So now we have to find the x value. Send outside, then it will become as into relation. So what you will get finally? Minus 33 by 16 is equals to here minus 11 by 4 into x. We have to find the x value. So minus 11 by 4 no need here. So bring this side or send outside, then it will become as what? Division or reciprocal of this. What you will get here? Minus 33 by 16. This is become as what? Into minus 4 by 11 you will get it is. So here what is the right side value? X only. So under the denominator what is there? 4. If you send outside it will become as into. And what is the into numerator place 11? It will become as what? Denominator. So finally minus 11 by 4 can be written as what? Minus 4 by 11 if you send outside. So then here x value we have to find. So what is the x value here? So minus into minus plus Now 33 4s are 132. 132. So by what? So 16 into 11. 16 into 11 as you should write. So here x. So if you no need to multiply also, again you can directly cancel them. 11 1 11 3 So here also you can do 11 1 11 1 11 11 2 11 12 132. And now 16 and there 12. So we can multiply this here what? 4 3 4 4 So finally what you are getting? 3 by 4. Therefore x is equals to how much? 3 by 4. X is equals to 3 by 4. So minus into minus plus. Finally, what is our required number? Therefore, our required number is 3 by 4. So this is the answer for the given ninth problem. Okay. Thank you.